This is a package I've been waiting for a long time. I'm pretty excited to open it.
You fully said to open the army?
I'm excited. Are you excited? And there it is. Cool. Some shrink wrap stuff and a bunch of bubble wrap. Oops. I just unlocked my truck. There it is. The wing tent. And in here, the awning board.
I did. You said the army?
Oh, that's pretty cool. They come in their own little
You said the army.
holder too. Alright, so this is the actual tent itself. It's got this nice carrying case that this actually unfolds into a hammock, a gear hammock that goes underneath the wing of the airplane. And then these are the actual awning poles, and I believe it feels like there's some stakes down here too. Oh, tie straps. Yeah, these are the tie straps, the awning poles. I really like this. This has this little, oh, there's the stakes. Okay, so yeah, it comes with a bunch of stakes right in there. So that's pretty cool. Tell you what, let's open this thing up and see exactly how big it really is. Just to give you an idea, this whole thing Velcros together, but when you actually open it, this all comes apart completely. So you can get into this thing and pull this right on out of there. So it's already got some tie straps on it, which is cool. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's just wicked cool.
Okay, hold it right there. So from here you can see how big this thing actually is. The wing itself would go, actually this would be on the top of the wing right here, with these hooks hanging on either side. And then where this gear canopy stretches out, you can actually latch that on so it would go under the wing. And then on each side here, these will be the actual doors that'll unzip on the tent on one side on the front and the rear of the wing. And then this is the actual side panel that you would attach on the outside of the wing to close it in. So one side will be up against the fuselage, door on either side, and then this, if this were the outside where Joey's running around like a crazy person, and now it has muddy footprint on it, this would be where that side would attach to enclose it completely. So I mean, there's you can see right here, just having this laid out, it's got a pretty good amount of surface area to it. Once we actually have it up on the wing, you'll be able to see what kind of living space that gives you underneath. But already I can tell it's a lot bigger than the regular tent that we use, so I'm pretty excited about this. One last thing I wanted to show on here real quick. I'm not going to attach it all the way on because I don't have the tent actually staked out, but so these D-rings here would hang on the front and the back of the wings, on either side. And this is the actual carrying case that once you have this set up, you could actually hang this under the wing to make that gear hammock. So if you had, you know, some stuff you wanted to just have sitting up, you could do that. But with those D-rings going all the way across on either side, that gives you the option to hang some lights or anything else that you might want to use inside the tent. So it's pretty cool. I'm excited to actually put this on the airplane and see how big it actually is and kind of measure out the square footage. So yeah, we'll do that tomorrow, or one of these days. We'll actually take this thing out and give it an ops check. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of it before we did anything. It definitely didn't repackage it as pretty as it came out of the box. It may be a little bit of trial and error to get this back, but for the most part I got it back together. This whole thing, when packaged, actually only weighs 11 pounds, so not a whole lot of impact on the weight and balance on board the airplane, which is kind of exciting. I may wind up unfolding it and trying to refold it again to actually make it all fit together in there, but pretty cool compact little package. When it's all, it unfolds a lot bigger than it looks like it should, which is pretty cool. I can't wait to actually use this on the airplane, to be honest. It's definitely going to change the idea of, you know, overnight camping with an airplane versus pitching a small tent and sitting there being crammed the whole night to actually having a little bit of, you know, workaround room. For what it's worth, that's how I usually go camping, so admittedly I'm a little bit spoiled. So when this product came up, I was kind of excited to have that space available to me to actually work with. So I'm kind of excited to see how it's actually going to work out, how it holds up to the weather, how secure it is on the airplane, and you know, we'll set it up in some of the different modes and stuff and see how it works. So if you're interested in checking this out, it's wingtents.com. I'll put the link to that down in the description of this video, along with how you can get in contact with the guys that make this. It's a really cool product. I'm really excited to use it. So watch back soon for my next video where we actually take this out and we spend the night under it, sleeping underneath the wing of the airplane. Have this full setup, and you know, we'll go through the full setup, how we actually put it on to the teardown the following morning, and make kind of a fun trip out of it. So look forward to that. As always, check out my website, wheelinthesky.com. We built a brand new website for 2019. Got a whole page full of our entire backlog of all the videos we've made. Some new items in the shop that you can go check out. Also ways to contact me, and links to all our partner websites, including Wing Tents. I've got them on there as well, so you can get directly to them through my website, wheelinthesky.com. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in a couple weeks. Here's Taco. That tooth's coming out.